Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 to show different colors. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten their Govee TV Backlight 3 and have already connected to their Govee home app. How do you actually get all three sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 to show different colors? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way to actually do this is that first you're going to go into your Govee home app. Next, you're going to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Afterwards, you want to click on your Govee TV Backlight, and then what you're going to do here is that once it's connected, you want to go ahead and scroll down. So this is the really important part, guys. Where it says part or all, you can toggle between both of these. So what this means is that if you set it to part, all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 are going to react to different colors. But if you set it to all, then the light strip overall is going to sync to just one color, usually the dominant color on screen. So in order to go ahead and make sure that all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 show different colors, you want to make sure that it's set to part. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and get all four sides of your Govee TV Backlight 3 to show different colors. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.